a volcano set. It comes with a book, volcano pieces, presser to put the volcano in, popsicle stick, paint, a paintbrush, some rocks, construction, plaster, baking soda, and the cream to make it like explode, you know. And a book, which has a lot of stuff in it. So it has this. It's all about volcanoes. My first step is to build the volcano. The next step is to make mold. We're gonna get the mold, like the stuff, and we're gonna pour it in the water, the cold water. The next step is to mix it up. I'm making glue! I'm making glue! We're gonna pour the plaster inside our mold that we made. Just smooth it. Next step is to smooth it. I think I'm doing it right. Our next step is to let it dry.
Yeah, buddy.
Whoa. The next step is to paint. Our next step is the erupting powder. Now it's time for erupting powder A. This is gonna make like the lava looking like that, like this. Next step is to mix it. Add water to it, guys. It's a volcano. Oh. You see that, guys? That's a volcano. That's how you make a volcano.